Shiba Inu SHIB, the popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency, has been making waves in the crypto world lately. Its recent surge in price has made it a topic of interest among investors and traders alike. And now, the project is getting ready to release its own blockchain, known as Shibarium. Shibarium is a decentralized blockchain that is designed specifically for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It is being developed to address some of the scalability issues that Shiba Inu has faced in the past, as well as to enable the development of new decentralized applications, dApps, and other features. One of the key features of Shibarium is its ability to support the creation and deployment of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts that are programmed to automatically execute certain actions when certain conditions are met. They are a powerful tool for enabling decentralized applications, as they allow developers to create complex, self-executing applications without the need for a central authority or intermediary. In addition to smart contract support, Shibarium is also designed to be highly scalable. This means that it can handle a large volume of transactions without experiencing slowdowns or other performance issues. This scalability is important for a cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu, which has seen a surge over the past few months. The release of Shibarium is expected to be a major milestone for the Shiba Inu project. It will enable the development of new dApps and other features that will help to drive the growth of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In addition, it will also help to address some of the scalability issues that have been holding Shiba Inu back. Overall, Shibarium is an exciting development for Shiba Inu and its fans. It represents a major step forward in the development of the project and its ecosystem. If you're interested in investing in Shiba Inu or other cryptocurrencies, be sure to do your research and stay up to date on the latest developments in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and if you want to start investing into Shiba Inu, we have some affiliate links in the description to help you on your crypto journey.